Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to completely test the video quality, audio and gaming test. Also I will include those camera samples, so stay tuned. First of all I will show you the video quality of this device. In my previous video I have already unboxed the Iqoo Z3 5G phone which I was purchased from Amazon. So I will just show you the quality of YouTube and video. So in that case you will have an idea of the quality of the display. I have to say that it is not an AMOLED panel. This is just an LCD. Always AMOLED is greater than LCD, but I will not say that this LCD is way too bad, but for the LCD technology it is way better. As you can see, it can support up to 2K videos. Also I want you to show that this screen is capable of HDR videos, which I will show you in seconds. A system update is prompt, but I will also update the phone in just later part of this video. The color accuracy of the video is amazing, unlike there are some other displays which will saturate the colors very much. This is very natural color looking. As you can see, beside the 14460 pixels there is a symbol of HDR, which is denoted as high dynamic range. It only supports when the display is actually capable of HDR. It means it can support HDR videos. It is capable of HDR. The color accuracy and touch sampling is amazing, but the brightness level is not up to the mark. That is the only demerits of that. And this is audio quality. Now I am going to install the available system update. As soon as I open the box and connect it to the internet, this device shows an system update. Always system update is recommended, but before updating any phones we have to check with the already updated device whether is any problem is arising while updating. It is very best method. So I am going to just update now. And let's walk through the settings, but I have just fast forwarded this video double the time because we have to keep the length in short. So as we can see, there are every basic and fundamental settings, and it also has dark mode and eye protection, blue light filter, and the main thing is it runs on Android 11 based OS, but it's Fun Touch OS. There are enormous amount of customization available in this device. We can choose between charging animation, sliding unlock on animation. So one more great thing about this display is it let us to use between 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz, and also smart pickup that refresh rates of the screen. And now I am going to set up fingerprint and latest is speed. This device has a side mounted fingerprint, which means it will act as a fingerprint and power button. You can just see the speed of that. Just I am tapping my finger, not even pressing, just tapping the mounted fingerprint, it instantly switched on. Then I almost made 0 to the percentage of charge. Then I plug it into the inbox charger, that 55 watt. It was the time 58 minutes it took to from 0 to 100% of charge. This screen geeks, so pause it and you can have a look at it. As we all know, it uses Qualcomm's Snapdragon 768G, which is a very new processor, a kind of a flagship processor, but I won't call it as a flagship. Yeah, gaming test ahead. I'm not a hardcore gamer, but I do play racing games and some of the sports games, but I never played those FPV shooting games and all. So I tested with Asphalt 9, and believe me, it is a very great head start you can feel. To me, it is a very great head start you can feel. There is no lag, literally the lag is 0. Even some of the flagship phones like OnePlus Nord, it also doesn't handle this Asphalt 9 game very smoothly, but as you can see in the screen, it has 0 lag. Now I am moving to CSR racing. Why I am choosing these games means it has, first of all, those sizes are huge, like 2.5 gigs and something each game, and the graphic quality is also very much high requirement. And now Subway Surfers. Even in Subway Surfers, I just showed you the starting clip somewhat like 30 seconds and so, but I have played the Subway Surfer more than an hour. Usually the phones will hang around 30 minutes and so, but this phone never lags. So these points are very useful in terms of gaming. Performance like these, I am assured you can easily play Free Fire and PUBG, Call of Duty mobiles and all with extreme smooth settings. So these are the camera samples. The first one was ultra wide and the same angle I took normal shot, and this is the 2x zoomed. Whatever the factory made settings are there. This is the macro lens. The macro lens was pretty decent, I would say. This is without macro lens, a close-up shot. This picture I took in a pitch dark moment, and I used flash for the first image, and in the left side I used normal, and the right side I have used the night mode. And you can see the night mode is pretty much decent, and it is utilizing this whole content and it is making something out of it. So yeah, night mode is a thumbs up. And the audio you are hearing here in this video clip is from the phone itself. It can also record from 4K 60 FPS max, but for using ultra stability as I shown here, you have to be fixed with the 1080p 30. So guys, it takes a lot of effort to make a video like this. Please consider subscribing and share the video if you found it useful. Also check my unboxing video of the same device by clicking the top right I button. That's it in this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.